Hello guys, today we are going to solve question number 8. The radius of the second Bohr orbit for the hydrogen atom is how much? So we are given Planck's constant h equals to 6.6262 into 10 to the power minus 34. We have mass of the electron 9.1091 into 10 to the power minus 31 kgs, and we have charge of electron 1.60210 into 10 to the power minus 19. We're also given epsilon permittivity of vacuum 8.854185 into 10 to the power minus 12 kilograms per meter cube square. So this is a really easy question. So we have to find the radius. So we have the direct formula to solve this question. R equals to n square h square upon 4 pi square me square k square. Easy. Now all we have to do is put the values to the respective variables. So we have 2 square, as that is the second Bohr orbit. H is given 6.6262 into 10 to the power minus 34 whole square upon 4 into pi, that is 3.1416 whole square, into m, we're given 9.1091 into 10 to the power minus 31, and e square, that is 9 into 10 to the power 9, k, that is 1.60210 into 10 to the power minus 19 c whole square, that is e, my bad. So when we try to solve this equation, we have r equals to 2.12 into 10 to the power minus 10. So we can say r equals to 2.12 Armstrong. That is option number 2.